Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a 24-hour reading vlog. So I'm going to do a really quick intro to this because there's a very specific plan that I have for today. So, books with Chloe, Caitlin from Kate Literature, Jamie from JB's Library, Karina from Bambina Karina, and Jody from Vanilla Moon are doing a 24-hour readathon today. I have no idea when the live show is. I may have already missed it. I really hope I didn't. But I wanted to participate in the readathon and I thought it would be a good video to do. So, today, I don't know what my title is going to be yet, but today my plan is to... Hang on, let me see if I can pick them up. So my plan is to read, oh gosh, the entirety of Blackbird, or reread the entirety of Blackbird. That is 18 volumes, and we shall see if I can complete. Oh boy, they're falling. It's falling. She's falling. Oh no! Okay, she fell. They fell, and they were nice in order too. So my goal is to read all 18 volumes in the 24-hour period. I have no idea if I'm going to actually be able to do that. I think I am going to be able to do that because, it does not take me, oh god, they're falling again. They're falling again. It doesn't typically take me too long to read manga to begin with. So, yes, I'm going to try and read all 18 volumes. The idea from this came because I gave all 18 volumes to my cousin Emily about a week ago, and she ended up reading all of them in less than a week. Granted, she had school and stuff to do and like sleep, and like she didn't do it all in one day, but she absolutely loved them and I've been wanting to reread them, so I figured what better way than to do it in a 24-hour reading vlog and, you know, do that. This will also mean that I'm going to be 18 books ahead of schedule for my Goodreads challenge, which is really interesting, and I've never been that far ahead of schedule, so we'll see. But yes, we're going to be reading Blackbird. Okay, so I signed off and I realized that I completely forgot to tell you what these books are about. So basically, Blackbird follows a girl, I don't even remember her name. So Misao, ever since she was a child, can see demons. She sees like the little weird things. And when she was little, she had a childhood best friend named Kyo. Yeah, Kayo. And at the beginning of this book, she gets attacked by a demon and Kyo reappears because he disappeared when she was a child. Which is a very interesting trope because it happens a lot in manga. Childhood friends coming back. So it is currently 12:46. I think I'm going to start at either 1 to 1:15 because I need to print out all of the covers for the mangas in order to put them in my journal in a timely fashion. So yes, so now without further ado, let's start the vlog. so I hope I'm in focus, but I finished the first volume of Blackbird. I just wanted to say, I'm giving this 4 stars, but and I mean this in the best way, completely forgot how weird this series is. One of the things that happens at the very end of the first chapter is that Kayo, I don't know how to say his name, but I think it's Kayo. He decides to be able to keep an eye on Misa. He becomes a teacher at her school, and it's the strangest thing. And I know it's not technically like a teacher-student relationship because like he's not really a teacher. He's just pretending to be one. It is a little strange. So yeah. But anyway, I finished the first volume, and now I'm going to make myself some lunch. And I have to make a marinade for tonight's dinner, and then I also have to update my journal, and then I'm gonna read volume 2. So I have gotten up to volume 7. It is currently 10:21 in the morning. I started this, technically I started it at 1:30, so I will end it at 1:30 today. But yeah, the biggest reason I haven't read as many as I wanted to is just because life. I mean, I had started, it takes me about an hour or 45 minutes to an hour to read each one, and I had to cook dinner last night. I was getting distracted, and then like my parents are here to talk to my brother. Like there's a bunch of things that just kept distracting me, so I wasn't able to complete as many as I wanted to. But now I am on volume 8. I'm hoping I will call this a success if I can get to volume 10, which I think I should be able to, because I have 8, 9, and 10 to get there. And I have I have about 3-ish hours left in the readathon, so I should be able to get to 8, 9, and then 10, maybe till 11. Again, I'll be very happy if I can get to that number. But yes, I have to go make breakfast because I'm starving. I woke up at 8. I went to bed at midnight, a little after midnight, and I was so tired because I'd woken up at 8 o'clock in the morning yesterday. And then I woke up at 8 o'clock in the morning today to start reading. So yes, I'm on volume 8. I'm going to go make some breakfast, which is going to be some avocado toast. I made my chai this morning, which you would have seen. And yeah, let's get back to reading. Oh, I just want to say, so these are all definitely 4-star reads. I haven't had anyone that's 5-star read, nor have I had one that's like anything less than that. But I do want to say I hate Kiyo's brother. He is so annoying and just horrible. Like, if you've read them, you know, but he is an absolutely horrible human being. And yeah, I absolutely hate him. So I just needed to say that. And we'll continue on. Able to finish 1 to 11. I probably could have finished all 18 if I stopped getting so distracted and stuff like that. But I think 11 volumes is pretty good. I don't think I'm going to continue the vlog till I finish the volumes, because then I wouldn't be able to upload the vlog when it's supposed to go up. So yes, I pretty much gave all of them 4 stars. This is a strange series, but I really do love the series, and yeah, I gave all of them pretty much 4 stars. I don't like the brother, Sojo, I think is how you say his name. I don't like him. I love the triplets, they're adorable, and yeah. So yeah, I'm really excited to read the last 7 volumes, and you will hear more about my thoughts on the last 7 in my wrap-up. So I hope you liked this vlog. If you like this vlog, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like this vlog and you want to see more from me, please hit the subscribe button. And I wonder, have you read any of these? And if you did, what did you think of them? Like I said, I really liked them. And also, if you have any more animes, or not animes, more manga recommendations like this, please do leave them in the description below. But other than that, I hope you are well wherever you are in the world, whatever time it is. I hope you are well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!